Okay. So, what we have is shaving cream, dye, a bucket, plastic sheets, and yard pens. Right here?
Yeah, sure. Well, this is my entertainment for the day.
This works. I mean, it kind of looks a little sideways.
I mean, this is your invention, so, do you think you can slide that way into the pool, or do you think maybe it should be like this way, Shar? Like from here into the pool, or is it okay this direction?
I don't think it matters. There's scary things over there.
Okay. Show me what you're doing there.
Pinning it down so the wind doesn't take it away. Maybe I should have pinned down the other side first. Ow. Ow. I'm okay.
Maybe we should shave your head.
Oh no! That's not happening.
It's looking good.
Because I did it, silly.
It's like a yard party. Why does it smell like dog poop over here? Because you haven't cleaned the poop out of the yard in a while.
I don't do that. It's not my job.
And yet it was her job.
That's Phoenix's job, silly. This one came out of the thing. It said, "Pet dusty."
What's the matter, Charlotte?
My back hurts.
Can we step on it?
Yeah.
Huh?
Yeah.
You ready?
Mm-hmm.
Oh!
Ow. That felt good. Oh, I have decided that the concrete's gonna kill me going into the pool. I'm gonna turn it this way. Landscape. We're gonna take all the pins out, turn it, and then put the pins back.
Okay, let's do it. In the yard right now.
Shaving cream in your hair.
Just fill up your bucket. Shaving cream. Oh no!
Yours is so satisfying, and there's mine over here. Like,
Mine is kind of satisfying. Yours is kind of stupid. Okay, let's do some dye. What color you want? Blue? Was this the blue you had before? Let's find out. You don't have to overdo it. That's good. That's good.
That's good. Can I use my hands?
Yeah.
Really blue. Oh, thank you.
Get in there.
Oh, so gross. I don't like this. Don't like it. My hands might be blue at practice tomorrow.
You ready to dump it?
Careful.
All right, let's do it.
What do I do with this?
I got it for you.
Yep. Hi, dog.
It's gonna take a while for us to do this, so.
That almost hit my foot. That would have been very upsetting.
Like that?
Yes. I like how we're using a popcorn bucket for the movies.
It rinses out. I really hope it doesn't rain. Okay, we're gonna be out here for about 6 or 7 hours, so we'll be back with you tomorrow on the shaving cream. Better.
Do you like my line? Aren't they hot?
Some more shaving cream for you. Okay, I'll walk around. I think your pink streak needs to be cleaned up.
Oh, is she recording that?
Okay, here you go. Enjoy. It's like mystery colors. You never know what you're gonna get.
Stick.
This is the coolest rainbow sled.
Oh no!
What?
There's another bug.
I think it's his day. Did you save him?
No. He's stuck to the leaf now.
Six? Yeah.
I want to run and die.
You're gonna dive?
No, run and die.
Oh, okay. With good medical insurance.
Yeah.
Hi.
That hurt.
We have a new victim. You chose a white shirt.
It's from last year's school field trip.
Okay.
No! You're not.
Just go.
I want to try myself. Don't touch me.
Okay, let him try by himself first.
Run. Just run across it.
Be careful, buddy. You're gonna probably hurt yourself if you run.
I don't care.
He did it because he's not as slippery as you.
Look at him compared to me, Mom. I mean, I think there's a difference.
All right, Phoenix, show us something fabulous, buddy.
No. Yes. This isn't fair. No, not there. Not there. Wait. Not there. My ear.
Your hair?
No, my ear.
Oh, where's your? I felt your bracelet come off.
This is how we solve all
No,
problems.
it's on here, Charlotte. It's still on here.
No, not that one.
What bracelet?
I don't know.
Hey! Down!
I like this game.
That feels so weird! Charlotte!
Look, Mom.
You didn't tell me it wouldn't feel weird!
I say nothing.
You're a different color.
It feels so weird.
Charlotte, the bottom of your feet.
Charlotte! Charlotte, mine are pinker than yours. Look at my shirt from last year, people. It's it smells pretty good. It is pink.
My knees are pink.
Go ahead and jump in there.
Breathe, child, breathe.
What happened to you both?
Nothing.
The pink monster.
What are you doing, Charlotte?
My eyebrow looks a little ratchet.
Let me see.
This one right here, going like this. Oh, the tech mark.
It's kind of cute. I think it's cute.
Second part to my project.
Yes. No, don't. Charlotte! Are you like a teenage boy right now?
Yeah.
Get the 25 count.
Hi.
Charlotte!
Sorry, I expected him to catch it. I'm sorry, I forgot he's not a sport person.
I am.
Try plastic sheeting.
I mean, it looks right to me.
It says extra, and you're plenty extra. Let's do it. Okay, I think we have to go back and get the yard pins.
Wait, what are we looking for?
I think we should get some food dye.
Blue.
Wait, look down here. I think you should get like a box that we can.
the dollar ones.
We'll either... So this is food like icing dye. What we need is like liquid food dye, like these. Yeah, let me see.
Primary. Those are not primary colors. These are my primary colors: blue, pink, and red.
These are my primary colors. Blue, yellow.
Original. That's my favorite movie right there. My favorite kids movie.
What?
Lion King.
Give us a demonstration.
Are you embarrassed? Oh. These thingies, because they're liquid, starch.
It's not for this project, but for future projects. You would think we were making slime.
It came straight towards me.
Phoenix,
What?
put your shoe on, dude.
Raymond. See Phoenix.
What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing? All right, weirdo, we're gonna... Watch out. You don't want to bag it? Charlotte, you practicing for your future at Walmart?
Okay, we're getting 2 milks now. Just so you know.
Seriously, child.
Cancel items. Phone cancel. Please wait for assistance.